In this video, I will walk you through the Roblox interface step by step so you can navigate like a pro in minutes and unlock everything the platform has to offer. When you first open the Roblox app, you will land right on the home screen. You will see a list of training games. But before we jump into gameplay, let's take a quick tour of the key tabs that will help you navigate the platform like a pro. Trust me, knowing your way around makes everything smoother. And if you want to unlock voice chat, make sure to add your phone number. We will cover that feature in a separate video, so stay tuned. First up, we've got the navigation menu. This is where you will find all the main sections to move around the platform. You have the Home tab to check out your recently played games and discover new ones recommended just for you. Next, you have the Avatar section that allows you to customize your character with cool outfits, accessories, and emotes. Under Connect, you can view your friends list and add new friends or manage existing ones. Check out your profile to view your contact info, badges, and activity. It's your personal Roblox resume. Tap Chats to view the most popular current experiences. Most games are free, but some include microtransactions or Robux. You can filter by locations. Recommendations often show whether you need to pay to access full features. Next is Roblox Marketplace. It's a virtual store where players can buy, sell, and trade items for their avatar and experiences. It includes things like clothing and accessories, user-generated content, Roblox purchases, audio and assets. The Create tab takes you to Roblox Studio, where you can build your own games or items and share them with the world. Robux are the virtual currency in Roblox. Players can use Robux to buy clothes, accessories, purchase game passes, special abilities, or in-game items. You can get Robux by purchasing them with real money, having Roblox Premium membership, or earning them by creating and selling games, items, or experiences. That's a quick walkthrough of your Roblox interface. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this one.